welcome to this episode of the One Door Workshop. Today we are going to be teaching you guys or showing you guys how we make signs with words that are carved on our x-carve machine. One of my friends wanted a sign that said "Be our guest" to put in her guest bedroom, and so we've been kind of playing with ideas and trying to figure out what is going to look the best and how to physically do it, because we've never done this before. So my husband kind of played with it. We're going to show you a little bit later of the first couple attempts that we made, and they were good, but they weren't great. So this is our final attempt. I think it finally turned out really well. And this is one of the pieces. We actually broke this piece, so we made another piece. When we put it on the machine, we screw it all down, put in the coordinates, and hit carve. It carves it out and it leaves a couple little tabs in here so that this wood will stay connected to the bigger part of the wood and it will not be destroyed and move around. So once we take it out of here, we turn it over, get my saw blade from the Sawzall. I totally kept messing up the words on this all the time, but I've got it now. It's a Sawzall blade. So there's little tabs on here that we just have to break apart. My husband made it look so easy, and it's not quite as easy as it looks. But we're gonna get it out. This is not easy. Stop laughing. Okay, that one's out. That one's out. That one. And that one. Okay. So, gives you a really cool cutout that you can burn in the fireplace, because we have an actual fireplace and it's awesome. All right, so here is our word guest. Looks awesome. We are gonna use a sandpaper to kind of get all the little edges off here, get it nice and smooth, take off the little bits back here that we're holding it into the big piece right there. And then it's ready to go and ready to paint. So I hope my friend has a really awesome time painting these and making them look really pretty for her guest bedroom.
Our first attempt, we tried to do the letters individually on different pages of our software. I was trying to match up the outside border to be able to make sure that we could get the letters to be the same size, but as you can see, they came out different thicknesses. So kind of had to rethink how we were going to do it. What we ended up doing was typing them all on one page and expanding them to fit the board that we knew we needed to, and then cutting them out. So this is our second cut, separating them out after expanding them at the same time. And as you can see, it came out much, much nicer than the original.
That's it. I hope you enjoy this episode of the One Door Workshop. Hit the subscribe and like button, and we'll see you later. Thanks.